In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Scrum board in Jira. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a fully set up Scrum board that your team can use to plan sprints, track progress, and manage work more efficiently. Let's get started from the Jira home screen. First, look towards the top of the interface for a plus icon. This is usually used to create new items in Jira. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. This tells Jira that you want to start something new, and it will open a menu with different options. From the options that appear, you'll want to choose something related to projects. In this case, select the software development option. This is important because Jira provides different templates and workflows for different types of work, and software development is optimized for agile teams, user stories, bugs, and tasks. Once you've chosen software development, Jira will show you several agile templates. Here, you'll see both Kanban and Scrum among others. For this tutorial, make sure you click on Scrum. Scrum is ideal if you work in fixed-length sprints and want a clear structure for planning and reviewing work. After selecting Scrum, Jira will show you a preview of the Scrum template and how it works. On this screen, look for the button that says Use Template and click it. This tells Jira you want to build your new project and board based on this Scrum setup, rather than starting from scratch. Next, Jira will ask where you want this project to live. Choose the option to select a team-managed space. A team-managed project gives your team more control over workflows, fields, and settings without needing an administrator to change everything for you. Click on that option so your Scrum board will be created in a team-managed environment. Now Jira will prompt you to type in some details. This is where you give your project a clear name, and optionally a key or short code that will be used in issue IDs. Take a moment to choose something descriptive, like the product name or team name, so people immediately know what this board is for. Double check spelling and make sure it's easy to recognize later. Once you have entered all the required details and you're happy with them, look for the next button and click on it. Jira will then create your new Scrum project and board using the template you selected, and you'll be taken straight into your fresh Scrum board, ready for you to start adding issues, planning your first sprint, and customizing columns to match your process.